Here is how to find someone on X, which was previously known as Twitter application, using their phone number. So first, you need to open the Twitter application on your mobile device, or you can launch the web browser and go to x.com and log into your account. After that, you need to tap on the More icon from the left-hand side of the screen and select Settings and Privacy. Now select the option of Privacy and Safety, that is between Security and Notifications. Here, you need to select the Discoverability and Contacts. And under Contacts section, select Manage Contact option. And first, you need to confirm your password and toggle on the Sync Address Book Contacts and allow access to your contacts if asked. This uploads your saved contacts to X. And also check the box of Let people who have your phone number find you on X if you want to. And if you want to remove contacts, you can select Manage Contact and then select Remove All Contacts from the top of the screen to do it. And now if you go to your Profile section of your X account and tap on the plus button if you're using the phone and Get Started and Continue Allow Permissions, X will sync your contacts and suggest accounts linked to those numbers. This only works if the phone number is saved in your contacts. The person has linked that number to their X account and they haven't disabled discoverability. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.